Boron is a nutrient element that has been used by civilizations dating back to the time of the Greeks. It is found naturally in seawater, fruits and vegetables, and is concentrated in some volcanic regions as well as deserts. Studies show that boron influences the metabolism of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and appears to be very synergetic with silica. It raises the level of enzymes produced by the liver, such as superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. Boron supports growth and maintenance of bone, production of hormones, absorption of magnesium, reduction of C-reactive protein, liver enzyme production such as superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase, brain electrical activity, and parathyroid function. Iodine calcium is formulated and blended to provide readily absorbable ionic calcium to assist the body in maintaining metabolic functions rather than offset dietary deficiencies. A diet high in green leafy vegetables can provide 400 milligrams to 500 milligrams of calcium a day. High calcium intake can result in improper calcium deposition in soft tissue and on bone, and can also impair absorption of the other minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron. Contrary to popular belief, calcium alone does not build bone. We have formulated our calcium to provide metabolic support, not structural support for the body. Calcium supports healthy teeth and bones, normal blood clotting, normal heartbeat, transmission of nerve impulses, energy production, maintain proper blood pH, and cellular contraction. Chromium can help support a healthy metabolism, weight control, and maintain normal blood sugar levels. Analysis has shown that unrefined carbohydrates, especially grains, are rich in chromium. Eating refined food leads to mineral deficiencies, including chromium, and an inability to catalyze certain cellular enzymes. Chromium works best if it is taken before meals to help support blood sugar. It helps modulate the uptake of glucose in the body's cells so that it can be metabolized to produce stable energy levels, thus helping to reverse the effects of excessive sugar cravings. Chromium supports sugar regulation and management, proper sugar and fat metabolism, healthy cholesterol reduction. Copper is needed for both iron and zinc utilization, as well as for maintaining a strong cardiovascular system and optimizing numerous endocrine gland functions. Increased fructose consumption can contribute to copper deficiency. Copper and zinc deficiency can also affect the sense of taste and smell. Copper supports zinc regulation, collagen production, healthy muscle tone, transportation of iron, production of hemoglobin, healthy cardiovascular, nervous, and skeletal systems. Eidon iodine is a safe and stable form of iodine derived from potassium iodide. Iodine's primary role is to support a healthy thyroid gland by activating the production of thyroxine, a hormone that is needed throughout the body for energy production. About 50 to 60% of the body's iodine is stored in the thyroid gland. The rest is distributed throughout the body, especially in ovaries, breast, and prostate tissue, muscles, and blood. Iodine can become depleted when one is exposed to heavy metals such as mercury, lead, cadmium, aluminum, and bromide, as the body will use iodine to remove these elements via the liver and the kidneys. Iodine supports normal thyroid function, regulation of energy production, healthy breast and prostate tissue, healthy reproductive function, nerve and muscle function, healthy hair, skin, and bones, and the breakdown of fats and proteins. Iron's primary role is oxygen transport throughout the body. Higher levels of iron are needed during intense physical activity, adolescence, and anyone following a vegetarian or vegan dietary lifestyle. Most of our current intake of iron is sourced from animals. Iodine iron is not derived from animals. Supplementing with Eidon's iron will help you get an adequate amount while not overburdening the body with excess. Iron supports hemoglobin, the iron-containing molecule found in blood and responsible for oxygen and carbon dioxide transport. Myoglobin, the iron-containing molecule found in muscle tissue, which is responsible for providing extra oxygen to the muscle during intense physical exercise. And cytochromes, the iron-containing molecules necessary for the production of ATP, our energy currency. Lithium. Lithium is an essential mineral element. Recent research is now discovering many applications for low-dose lithium from 1 to 10 milligrams per day. Lithium at this dose range may provide numerous physiological benefits. Deficiencies can occur due to diet and refined water sources and may be depleted with the consumption of mercury, aspartame, MSG, BPA, and other excitotoxins. Lithium supports vitamin B12 and folate transport and uptake, the production of red blood cells, brain health and function, cognitive performance, mood and calmness, healthy aging, and nerve function. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic actions in the body. It is also an essential electrolyte, crucial for healthy cardiovascular function. Iodine magnesium chloride is the preferred form of many experts. Physical or emotional stress and alcohol consumption can deplete the body of this important mineral. Magnesium supports immune system function, muscle relaxation, calcium management, cardiovascular function, and restful sleep. Manganese plays an important role in catalyzing enzymes associated with bone and cartilage formation and maintenance. Manganese supports proper brain and nerve function, oxygen transport in the blood, muscle contraction and relaxation, as well as a balanced libido. Manganese should be taken separately away from iron and magnesium. With the amount of processed foods consumed today, obtaining adequate manganese is a problem for many people. Manganese supports maintaining optimal energy and strength levels, the production of SOD superoxide dismutase, bone and cartilage health, proper growth and reproduction, bile production for fat metabolism, proper functioning of the digestive tract, and neurological health. Molybdenum is an element now recognized as an essential catalyst for 3 cellular enzymes needed for the breakdown of potentially harmful compounds. Our ability currently to acquire adequate levels of molybdenum from dietary sources is quite problematic. Molybdenum supports the production of aldehyde oxidase. This enzyme plays an essential role in converting acetaldehyde, which is a waste product of the body, particularly Candida albicans fungus, into acetic acid for disposal, or into acetyl coenzyme A, a compound we use for energy production. Molybdenum also catalyzes xanthine oxidase. This enzyme is created by the body to eliminate excess purines from proteins, which can be harmful. The last enzyme that this supports the production of is sulfite oxidase. This enzyme converts disruptive sulfites into useful sulfates. Phosphorus is an essential yet often overlooked element in terms of daily need. While many medical professionals believe adequate levels are available in our diets, it is in fact very questionable that we are getting enough of this critical element. According to the National Academy of Science dietary reference intakes, the daily recommended intake for phosphorus has been determined based on serum blood levels of inorganic phosphate. The excessive levels of calcium ingested today, both from dairy products and supplements, create abnormal levels of interference with phosphorus absorption, availability, and utilization. Aluminum, which is very common in our environment, can also interfere with phosphorus utilization by binding it. Phosphorus supports energy production. It is a structural component of DNA and RNA. It supports healthy bones and teeth, and biological membranes, such as cells and organs. Primary indicators of inadequate levels of phosphorus are inability to gain weight, loss of energy, muscle weakness, softening of bones, and general debility and fatigue. Potassium is one of 7 macromineral nutrients needed in relatively high daily amounts. It is the 3rd most prevalent element in the body after calcium. Potassium deficiency can occur from depletion of bodily fluids resulting from diuretics, high caffeine intake, increased stress levels, excess perspiration and high sodium chloride, as in table salt, intake. Potassium supports a healthy nervous system, acid-alkaline balance, muscle contraction, optimum electrolyte balance, and cardiovascular function. Selenium is a powerful mineral that is essential for a healthy immune system. The most well-known function is in the liver, where selenium catalyzes or activates the glutathione peroxidase enzyme, which cleanses the blood. Along with iodine, selenium catalyzes the T4 and T3 enzymes in the thyroid, which are critical for energy production. Selenium supports a healthy immune system, a healthy liver, heart, thyroid, and reproductive organ function, production of prostaglandins, production of glutathione peroxidase, healthy aging, and prostate health. Silica. Silica is our flagship product, and it is an important collagen production and calcium management mineral. In fact, it is the only collagen production and calcium management mineral of significance. We are born with a high silica to calcium ratio, and as we age, silica levels drop, contributing to the physical effects of aging. A major source of silica is found in grain husks, which is no longer available in today's diet due to the removal at harvest. Silica may be applied topically to soothe the skin. Silica supports collagen production, strong, healthy bones, hair, skin, and nail integrity, healthy teeth and gums, gastrointestinal health, strong and flexible arteries, healthy cartilage, and joint function. Sulfur, as MSM, has been called the beauty mineral because it helps the skin stay smooth and youthful. Sulfur is found in every cell in the human body and is a crucial compound of our tissues, some amino acids, hormones, vitamins, enzymes, and antibodies. Sulfur supports collagen production, normal blood sugar levels, healthy joints, muscles, and bones, cellular respiration, proper metabolism of carbohydrates, and cell rejuvenation. Zinc is needed for the maintenance of immune system strength and glandular health. It is rapidly depleted when the body is fighting an illness or when taking an excessive amount of vitamin C. Zinc is the 10th most abundant element in the human body and is found in all organs, tissues, and cells. Zinc supports enhancement of the sense of taste and smell, a healthy immune system, digestion and metabolism, proper synthesis of protein and collagen formation, prostate health. Iodine Bone Support is a comprehensive formulation utilizing current understanding of bone tissue and mineral composition. Stay strong and flexible throughout life with Iodine's liquid mineral formula for healthy bones. The components of our bone support are calcium, which provides rigidity and shape to bone. Magnesium is necessary for calcium metabolism and the hormones that regulate calcium. Zinc regulates secretion of calcitonin, a thyroid hormone responsible for maintaining proper blood calcium levels. Manganese supports bone and cartilage health. Silica plays the most important role in bone health. Silica builds bone matrix and collagen by catalyzing the glycosaminoglycan enzyme. Sulfur is the essential catalyst for connective tissue formation. Boron, in trace amounts, is required for healthy bones and the metabolism of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Electrolytes carry electrical impulses from the brain to every part of the body to keep our heart and nervous system in healthy balance. Without these electrical impulses, the cells in our body would have impaired communication between nerves, muscles, and organs. Electrolytes are quickly depleted from excessive sweating, strenuous work or exercise, emotional or physical stress, diuretics, pregnancy, and physical trauma. Potassium is essential for muscle contraction. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation. Sodium and chloride are responsible for proper transport of elements through the cellular membrane. Calcium is important for maintaining proper blood pH and electrical transmission. Chromium is required for the proper management of sugar. Eidon Immune Support is an incredibly effective formulation designed to support and maintain a healthy immune system. The blend of zinc, selenium, sulfur, and silver is a combination optimized to give the body essential mineral nutrients to effectively and naturally deal with the challenges associated with seasonal change. Iodine immune support can also be used topically. Zinc supports a proper immune response necessary for the production of white blood cells and catalyzes the superoxide dismutase enzyme. Selenium promotes a healthy liver and is essential for proper thyroid function and energy production. Sulfur catalyzes the enzyme glutathione, which is made in the liver and used to catalyze cellular metabolic waste products. Sulfur is essential for all cellular functioning and certain amino acids. Silver has been used for centuries by cultures around the world for its immune boosting properties. Iodine joint support is a combination of silica and sulfur, both essential for optimizing joint health. They are the active mineral ingredients in glucosamine sulfate and chondroitin sulfate. Silica and sulfur are the two most important minerals required by the body to produce glycosaminoglycans, the main building blocks of collagen and connective tissue. Silica is a necessary component for strong and resilient bones. Silica also facilitates healthy tissue integrity, including cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, resulting in proper functioning joints. Sulfur works synergistically with silica in promoting collagen formation. Iodine multiple mineral formulation is a combination of micro and macro minerals in optimal balance to provide a stable foundation for daily mineral needs. This unique silica-based multiple mineral formula provides the proper foundation for the body to function optimally and fully utilize other nutrients necessary for overall health and vitality.